What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm back on your screen. And today, I just got off of work not too long ago, and I'm at the gas station, trying not to touch anything with my right hand with the gas pump. And I'm trying to get some gas because I want to go to Homegoods and tjmaxx. I heard it opened up, so I'm going to drive out there and see what they have. Hopefully it's not crowded because I don't want to stand in this long line because it's like 90 degrees outside. So I'm gonna try to drive in the suburbs. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, it's hot outside. Yeah, I see. Alright guys, so I will come back to you guys when I make
the merge delay with traffic coming in off of the eastbound side.
I make my destination. Hey y'all, I finally made it in. Hopefully you can hear me, and I'm just checking out the beauty stuff. I don't see any sales over here. I do see Sigma brushes. I was looking at this, but I'm not sure. I don't really wear too much of that. But I did find this. I want to try it out and see how it works for me. Put that in the car for me. Thank you. Y'all, it was so crowded up in there. I couldn't film for y'all. It was just crowded. They didn't have any like dirt cheap sales. They had like deals on sports stuff. But as you can see, I bought some stuff. I might not do a haul because it's mainly like intimates, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, I'll see y'all. Okay y'all, what's up? I'm back at home and I'm about to take a quick shower, but I wanted to show you really quick what I picked up at Homegoods. They didn't have a big sale. They had a few clearance items, but they really didn't mark down much, and I think they started marking down stuff probably either yesterday or today. They didn't. It's not worth going to my Homegoods where I usually go. It's not worth going because the stuff is not like dirt cheap. Now if you go to maybe Marshall's, it probably will be cheaper, but I went to a Homegoods slash tjmaxx and they didn't have a big sale. So I'm going to show you what I did purchase. This is what I got from Walmart. I needed a curtain rod to go on a smaller window in a hallway for those drapes that well, not drapes, but you know, the little ballads that I had purchased from Amazon. And I needed a small curtain rod, so I'm going to use this one. It's silver, so it should go. And it has these brackets. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then from, what's the store called? Okay, now from Homegoods, I seen this cute little wreath to go on the door. And now this one's on, I can't even talk. This was on clearance. It was originally, let's see how much, $30, $36, $35, and it was on clearance for $18. So I thought this was cute for the spring slash summer. And then I wanted to pick up some more bras because my bras been tearing up. I was watching Simply Deborah's channel and she was showing these cute bras on Amazon, but I seen some that were on clearance at tjmaxx, so I picked it up. They had like 2 for the price of 1, and I'm gonna try these out first. And if these don't work, honey, I'll be going to Amazon like you did. And these are the Everyday Comfort, and this is by the brand Laura Ashley. And you have a pink one and a navy blue one. We are grown on this channel, right? So that's what I picked up. And I also picked some of these Dan skins. These are intimate as well, and they have like the removable pads, and this is in a size large. It says regular price $54, but they were regular price $14.99. You get a pink one, a black one, and a like a blush, kind of like, yeah, well, not blush, it's like a light pink. Yeah, so I picked these up. Hopefully they're comfortable. I think these are some clips. I need some. Usually they break on me, so I ended up getting these sectioning clips, and they were only $3.99. Now these were on clearance, so I ended up getting my son, running them the wrong way. I ended up getting my son these shorts for the summer just to throw on, because he likes to lounge. And I don't know what's the brand name, but it's rbxactive.com, and they were on clearance for $8. So you get 2 of these shorts for $8. I thought this was a great deal, and I got the size large for him. Let me take this off keep the hangers. These are the shorts in blue and in white. So if you have like, they have like kids clothes on clearance, and they also had like women's clothes on clearance, but I don't need any clothes, y'all. Okay, then I seen these NBA shorts. They were also on clearance, and they're kind of like, they're not thick. It's good for the summer, and they're gray, and they have like the blue. And I had ordered some shirts from the children's place, where I'm trying to see when is it going to ship. I have a few that came. I'll show you guys that in a few minutes. But yeah, these are the shorts. I picked up some more of these, I want to call them sports bras, but they said they're super soft. And what do you call these bras? Do you call these sports bras? I don't know, but they look super comfortable. And it's by Nautica, and you get this with the stripes, and you get a basic blue and navy. I'm sorry, blue and navy. Lord, you guys know I'm tired. I worked all day. But you get a gray and navy. I don't know, I might end up rocking this. My hair is all over the place, but child. Okay, and what else? He liked these Adidas jogging pants when it's a little bit cooler. They're gray and burgundy, and this is how the leg looks, and this is the back. The back doesn't have any pockets, but there are pockets on the side, and it was on clearance for $12 for him. Then I bought some more Dan Skins Intimate. These are some cute bras, right? And they have a black one, a nude one, and like this floral print. It's really cute. And this wasn't on clearance, but it was only, you know, whatever, 18. I seen some more Puma socks I could wear to work, and these are the Performance Quarter Crew. They're men's, but I usually wear these. And then I seen these this Dippity Doo curls, girls with curls. I want to try this out. It says curl defining cream, and it's pretty, it smells pretty good. It looks like that. Yeah, it smells really good. So I'm gonna probably use this on tomorrow. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I've been sweating a lot. Hold on one second. And from the children's place, they sent me a partial order. So I'm waiting on the other one, and when they come, I'll show you guys. Because a lot of y'all did want to see what I picked up for my boy. So I picked up this cute little T-Rex shirt. And this fits him. He might be able to wear it like next year, but it depends on if it shrinks. But I could have went for an extra large, but I ended up getting him a large. These are only like $2 or $3 from the children's place, and then you save an additional 10% off. So this is cool. I got that for him. And this one right here, a black one. And I got this for him when his birthday comes. He can throw this on. Birthday kit, level up. Cute. And I got him some PJs. It's called Surf Ninja. And these are the shorts that come with it. So he's pretty okay for the summer. I just wanted to get him some lounge clothes and whatnot. So I have one more item. It's kind of big, but I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yeah, guys, that is all that I picked up. I didn't pick up a lot. You know, I didn't pick up any clothes. I don't need any shoes. I have a bunch of shoes from a couple of months ago before they closed that I can wear, and I have a lot of summer shoes, so I didn't need any of that. So let me show you what I picked up that I really wanted. I had on my list. Okay guys, and I picked up this here plant, and I love it because of the bottom. It's white and it matches. It's super cute. This is not where I'm gonna put the plant. I think I'm gonna put it in the bedroom, but we'll see. Okay, and then I didn't share with you all, I did go with the sconces, the wall sconces from At Home. And this is the candle. I wanted some kind of pop of color, not just all like silver, and I needed a pop of color, so yeah. So I went with the wall sconces. This is it right here. It's super cute. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna make something really quick. I'm gonna make some spaghetti and corn on the cob with some traditional regular sauce, and I'm going to use these grillers Morningstar so that my husband and I can both eat these spaghetti. So right now I'm just boiling the water, y'all. I'm waiting for the water to boil. Okay, so I'm gonna do 5 corns. Yes, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm making some quick spaghetti. I didn't cut up any green peppers because I just wanted something really quick. And my corn, I'm going to add a little milk to this. Okay, I'm going to add some milk to this. This is what I do. You can do whatever you prefer, but I usually add milk and okay, and I'm just gonna put the top. Okay, and I'm gonna just place the top on here and stir up my spaghetti a little bit more. Y'all, it's hard to cook when you hold it with your left hand. Hold on one second. This is the cold mozzarella cheese sticks that I'm going to put in the oven, and I will be back with the finished meal. But like I said, these are the cold mozzarella cheese sticks, and I'm about to place it in the oven. You put it on 350 degree, actually 450 degree Fahrenheit for about 7 to 9 minutes, and it should be good. I'll be back. Okay, my loves, my food is finished. I need to find some Parmesan cheese, but these are, that's the spaghetti, the corn on the cob. I soaked it in milk and butter, and I have my Coles garlic bread. Honey, I am ready to eat. It's been a long day. I worked, I shopped, and I cooked us some food. All right, ladies. Alright guys, so that will complete my video. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget, comment, rate, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye y'all.